Have you seen what's happening with inflation lately? The Federal Reserve just admitted they don't know when or even if rates will come back down. Gas is rising again, groceries are still through the roof, and millions of American retirees are watching their savings quietly erode. But here's the thing. Not everyone is losing. Let me tell you about Steve and Karen Reynolds from Sarasota, Florida. He was an engineer. She worked part-time as a nurse. They'd saved diligently for over 30 years, about $742,000 across 2 retirement accounts. And last year, they made one decision that changed the entire trajectory of their retirement. Now hold that story, because if you're like Steve and Karen, you've probably asked yourself, how do I protect what I've worked for without risking it in some high-volatility stock fund or shady gimmick? Especially when today's headlines are this bad. Prices still soaring for basic essentials. Markets whiplashed by Fed's uncertainty. Americans pull billions from banks over safety fears. And yet, mainstream financial advisors are still repeating the same tired advice. Just ride it out. No, that doesn't work anymore. You need low-risk, inflation-resistant assets that don't rely on Wall Street. And that's exactly why Steve and Karen chose to roll over part of their retirement into a Gold IRA. Let me break this down for you. A Gold IRA is like a traditional IRA or 401k, but instead of holding paper assets, like stocks or mutual funds, it holds physical gold and other precious metals. It's IRS approved. It offers the same tax-deferred growth. And most importantly, it's a hedge against inflation and economic chaos. Gold has a 5,000-year track record of protecting value when currencies collapse or markets crash. And today, central banks around the world are buying gold at the fastest pace in over 50 years. That should tell you something. Now back to Steve and Karen. After seeing too many friends lose half their savings in 2008 and again during COVID, they decided they couldn't go through that a third time. So they rolled over $312,800, a little under half, into a Gold IRA. Their goal wasn't to make a fortune overnight. It was peace of mind. They wanted to lock in some security, beat inflation quietly, and leave a stable legacy for their grandkids. And guess what? It all started from something just like this video, where they requested their free Gold IRA guide and booked a quick 15-minute call. No pressure, no gimmicks, just clear answers from a real specialist who treated them with respect. If you've got $100,000 or more in an IRA, 401k, or similar plan, this is your moment. Because building an inflation-proof retirement doesn't have to be risky. It just has to be smart. You worked hard to build that nest egg. Now protect it. Click the link, get your free Gold IRA guide, and schedule your no-obligation call to see if it's a fit for you. No pressure, no free silver gimmicks, just education-first help on your terms. And who knows, maybe your story starts with that free guide too. Retirement doesn't have to be uncertain, but doing nothing guarantees it will be.